Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Roblox account settings and choosing security. This is where you add a passkey because it replaces passwords for faster logins. Once done, enable two-step verification so the account accepts new authentication methods. Make sure your phone or hardware security key is nearby and unlocked. This speeds pairing. If your device prompts for Bluetooth, allow it. Now select Add Passkey and follow the initial prompts. This begins the credential creation process securely. You now create the passkey. Choose a descriptive name so you can manage multiple credentials later, like phone home or UByKey1. Then, when Roblox requests confirmation, use your device's biometric scanner, PIN, or touch the hardware key. This step proves you control the device. While the site registers the credential, do not close the browser or switch tabs. Once Roblox confirms, you'll see the passkey listed under Security. Make sure to keep at least one alternative login method active. Just finish by signing out and signing back and using your new passkey. This verifies everything works end-to-end. If you run into issues, first try clearing the browser cache, restart the device, and ensure Bluetooth or USB permissions are enabled. Then attempt re-registration. If the device still fails, remove the passkey and create it again, or use your backup two-step method to regain access. Remember, keep one alternate authentication option active so you aren't locked out. This prevents longer recovery processes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.